Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Resumeble subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, if you want to cancel your subscription, you can cancel it anytime. As you know, if you cancel your subscription, resume visibility will be available for 12 months. Okay, unless you withdraw easier. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like how to cancel it, so there is only one method. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, or you can take help from ChatGPT. And once your email is done, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also in the end of the email. Okay, and once your email is done, you just need to send this email at their email address, that is like support@resumeable.com. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will, you can like, contact you regarding your cancellation and all, and they will provide you proof of cancellation. If you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support regarding proof of cancellation. Okay, and this is the method by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.